Have you ever struggled to read small text on a page or wish a book could just read itself to you? With Bixby Vision Text Reader on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can point your camera at any printed text and hear it read aloud, no extra apps needed. To use this feature, open Camera app, tap More, then select the Bixby Vision icon. At the bottom, make sure you are in the text reader section. Now, point your camera at the text you want to read. Then tap the shutter button.
English, copyright E2020 Samsung Electronics Company, Limited.
Once you tap the shutter button, Bixby Vision will capture it and automatically detect the text and read it aloud for you. By default, the text is read in the system language, which means if your phone language is set to English, that's the language Bixby uses too. So if you want to enjoy a book but your eyes feel tired, the text reader on Bixby Vision can really help. Just point your camera at the page and your phone will start reading it aloud for you. Or maybe you are studying and want to listen instead of reading. In that case, the text reader turns those pages into spoken word, so you can focus on understanding the content without staring at the screen too long. This feature is more than just a convenience. It's also a great accessibility tool, whether you are learning a language, reading hands-free, or supporting someone with vision challenges. Bixby Vision Text Reader turns printed text into spoken word with a single tap. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.